Good morning, children. Yesterday we were discussing about differences between metals and non-metals, and today we'll see that a metal replaces another metal. How it can replace? If that metal is more stronger than the other metal, then the stronger metal or more reactive metal replaces a less reactive metal from the salt solution. How it takes place? You can see that here is one equation. Magnesium plus copper sulfate give rise to magnesium sulfate and copper. That means magnesium is more reactive than copper. That's why it replaces copper. In another reaction, you can see zinc plus copper sulfate gives rise to zinc sulfate and copper. That means zinc is more reactive than copper. Same as here in this reaction, iron plus copper sulfate give rise to ferrous sulfate plus copper. That means iron is more reactive than copper. So there are different metals. Some are reactive, some are less reactive. Based on the reactivity of metals, they can be arranged in the decreasing order of their activity. Here in another slide we have an activity series of metals. This is the decreasing order of reactivity. You can see the arrow is going down. That means potassium is more reactive than sodium, which is more reactive than magnesium, which is more reactive than aluminium. At the bottom you can see silver and gold. Yesterday also we have discussed that these two metals are least reactive. They do not react with air, water or any other thing. Okay. So this is the activity series, decreasing order of reactivity: potassium, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, copper, silver and gold. Children, there are some metals which do not react. Such kind of metals are called noble metals. Like we have already discussed, metal like gold, silver, platinum, they retain their luster. They maintain their shining. They do not react with air, water or acids. That is why they are called noble metals. Okay. Gold only dissolves in aqua regia. What is aqua regia? Aqua regia is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated hydrochloric acid in the ratio 1:3. Okay. And pure is 24 karat gold. It is very soft and it is used. It cannot be used for making ornaments. So it is mixed with the pure karat gold. It is mixed with some silver or copper to make it hard and to be used in making ornaments. Okay. Now children, you might have seen that if we have any iron object in our home, with the exposure of air and water, it gets rusted. So the next activity shows that air and water are necessary for rusting of iron. For this, we have taken 3 test tubes in which all the 3 test tubes the iron nail is kept. Okay. And we have put some anhydrous calcium chloride in one test tube, that is the first one. Okay. It absorbs the moisture. And we have poured some boiled water which has dissolved oxygen, or in that the dissolved oxygen has been removed, that is in the second test tube. And we have poured some water in the third test tube. In the third test tube, the iron nail is getting water and it is also getting air. Okay. In the second test tube, the iron nail is getting water but it is not getting air because it has been removed. And in the first one, you can see the iron nail is getting air but it is not getting moisture. So what do you think, which nail will get rusted? Obviously the third nail will get rusted, because for rusting we need water as well as air. So this is the activity Go through this video, children. Have a good day.